In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Amazon listing images with Canva. Clear, compelling images can make a huge difference in click-throughs and conversions, so we'll keep this simple, professional, and ready for upload. First, go to Canva. You can either start from a ready-made template or create your own layout from scratch. For Amazon, a square format works best, so click Customize Size and enter 2000 by 2000. This gives you a high-resolution square that looks crisp and fits Amazon's typical listing image standards. Then click Create New Design and you'll see your blank canvas ready to go. Let's set a foundation with your background. At the top, click the circular color picker and choose a color that suits your product and brand. If you're designing a lifestyle or secondary image, you can go for a tone that complements your product. Keep your palette clean and consistent so the product remains the star. Next, add a lifestyle photo to give context. You can search on the Free Pick website and download images that match your product's use case or target audience. Bring that image into Canva and position it so it frames your product without stealing attention. Make sure you're using imagery you're allowed to use and that the style matches your brand. Now, drag and drop your product photo onto the canvas. Use the highest quality version you have so details stay sharp. Center it, scale it thoughtfully, and keep enough breathing room around the edges to avoid cramped compositions. Add your text, use a clear title or headline, and a short subheading to highlight key benefits. In Canva, you can adjust size, choose a font that aligns with your brand personality, and select a color that contrasts well with the background. If you want extra polish, add effects to the font, like subtle shadows or outlines, to improve readability without making it look heavy. To guide the viewer's eye, add shapes. Click Elements on the left, search for the shape you need, and place it behind or beside your text or product. You can tweak border thickness, add simple effects, and change colors to create clean callouts or badges that draw attention to features, bundles, or guarantees. When you're happy with your design, save your image as a PNG or JPEG. PNG often preserves crisp edges. JPEG can keep file sizes smaller. Name your files clearly so you can upload the right versions to your listing. And that's it. You've designed Amazon listing images with Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Amazon tips and tutorials.